here we are, out from its winter hibernation, the 72 Monte Carlo. Let me kick the fast idle down. Usually I say you gotta love the sound of a big block in the morning, but in this case, gotta love the sound of a small block in the afternoon. Still sounds sweet. That sound great. Gotta wash the car off here. $1,800 miles on this car. Perfect wheel, instrument cluster. AM/FM 8-track. You can see the wheel has no wear on it at all. Perfect dash pad, perfect seats, perfect headliner, dome light, seat belts, visors, driver's seat, door panel. Just a sweet ride. Well, that was a fail. Oh, you have to love the Midwest in April. We will try again another day. Until then, you can see a startup of my 94 STS. I think on the phone these look like these lights are flickering. They're not. That's just how they look. Stay tuned. Well, that was fun. We hit a little cloud burst, of course. So I had to move into the garage, but I'll just start the car up here so you can hear it idle a little bit. This thing idles really, really great. Couldn't run smoother. Stock 352 barrel, but it pushes this car around extremely well. Notice how far back the engine is from the radiator. We can talk about more on that during the full review. More to come. Stay tuned.